How to find Facebook Messenger QR code. Here's how. First, open the Messenger app on your device. If you are not logged in yet, make sure you are signed into your account to access your QR code settings. Once you're in the app, tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right of your screen. This will open the main menu of your Messenger app. Now look at the top right corner of the menu screen. You will see a small QR code icon. Click on the QR code icon to open up your Messenger profile QR code. If you wish, you can also share your Messenger QR code with your friends by tapping on the share option. A menu will appear showing a list of apps and platforms you can use to send your QR code. Select your preferred platform. Once you have selected the platform, it's time to open up a chat with the person you want to share with. Then simply tap the send button and your Messenger QR code will be on its way. That's it. This is how to find Facebook Messenger QR code.